Someone is inside.
Stay behind me.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Nice day.
Nice day.
It is beautiful.
Someone moved in. Oh. I see.
We have new neighbors.
We should welcome them.
Who are they? Oh! He looks scary. He never smiles.
Maybe he's just shy.
He is strange. You're imagining things. What's he doing? He's making scary noises.
Don't spy on people.
I'm just curious. Let's finish the flowers. Okay. Smoke? Look over there. It's just a light. Isn't it strange?
I don't know yet.
He's working late.
Yes.
Who is that? Dad! Don't open it!
Stay close to me. Stay behind me.
Okay.
Good evening. Good evening. We heard loud noises. I'm sorry. I work at night.
Huh.
I understand.
Still scared?
A little. More boxes. What are they for?
Don't guess.
I'm trying not to. Fragile? Why hide it? He covered the box. There is probably a reason. You're watching again. I know. That's loud.
Give him space. Okay.
Okay.
Nice weather.
Yes. You dropped this.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Oh. He made that? I think so. Smoke again. Dad, the smoke is bigger.
Stay with me. Stay close.
I will.
Is something wrong?
We saw smoke.
It's my workshop stove.
Oh. I understand.
Come in. Come in.
Thank you. You made these?
Yes. They're beautiful. Thank you.
It really moves. Try it.
Try it. What are those for? A surprise.
Is this your house?
Not exactly. Wow. This is my dream.
A tree house?
Yes.
Reading corner. That's wonderful.
Birds can live here. That's right.
And then they can have babies right here.
The boxes? Building supplies.
They're for kids.
Exactly.
This is for you. I'm sorry. It's okay.
What's happening? Let's see. He made this.
It's beautiful.
It's for every child.
I was wrong.
This is amazing. It took many months.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Johnson. I didn't mean to.
It's quite all right.
We all make mistakes.
I know. He isn't scary. Not at all.
Ready? Lift.
We can help. Let's do it.
It fits. Perfect.
Nice colors.
Thank you. You made that?
With these hands. This is yours.
I'll treasure it.
Almost done.
It looks wonderful.
Be careful. I will. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. Every child is welcome.
Really?
What did you learn?
Don't judge too fast. This place feels special. It really does.
Thank you. Thank you, too.
It's open. Welcome.
Everyone is here.
That makes me happy.
I'm glad we met.
Sometimes the best neighbors are the quiet ones.
Thank you for everything.
You're always welcome. You built something wonderful. I built it for the children.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. Let's read. Oh, great idea. Everyone can read?
Everyone.
What do you see?
Happy families.
You inspired everyone.
That makes me happy.
Did you build that?
Yes.
Hold tight.
Today feels special.
It really does.
It belongs here.
Perfect. Do you remember the first night?
Yes. I was so scared.
What changed?
I learned the truth. They found a home. Just like we found a friend. I thought he was scary.
Now you know who he really is.
The kindest neighbor ever.